this video we are going to have overlook on interfacing of ADC chip with 8051 microcontroller. Here ADC which we are going to take in consideration, that is the chip number is 0808. So this ADC we are taking here. Now before going for interfacing, we will have a brief look on 8051 microcontroller architecture as well as ADC architecture. So here VCC and ground are the pins which we are always having for each and every chip. So that is connected to plus 5 volt and ground connection is there. Here along with VCC and ground we are using reference voltage, that is positive and negative reference voltage. So the connections are as given here. Then crystal oscillator we are using here. The crystal oscillator is given input of XTL1 and XTL2 pins, so that it will provide the frequency which is needed for operation of 8051 microcontroller. Here reset pin is there which will reset the microcontroller if we connect it to this 0. Then here port pins are there. We know that 8051 microcontroller is having 4 ports, uh, port 0, 1, 2 and 3. Here we are using the port 2 pins for providing signals to analog to digital converter, and port 1 is used as input or input for data which is coming from analog to digital converter. So here analog to digital converter data pins are connected with port 1 pins, that total pins are 8 pins. Now here input 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here total 8 inputs are there which are connected to analog to digital converter. So this input to this ADC will be in the form of analog, isn't it? Since it is analog to digital converter, so input must be in analog form. So that input is provided on these 8 lines. When analog input is taken, which input channel we should consider for taking the input, that is decided by the input values to these A, B and C pins. Now these A, B, C pins are controlled by port 2 pins, pin number 0, pin number 1 and pin number 2. We know that these 3 pins are there and here 8 channels are there, 8 input channels are there. So different 2 raised to 3 combinations means total 8 combinations these 3 pins can have. So if we want to select the input 0, then we will provide 0 on these 3 pins of the pins from 8051 microcontroller. So here input ABC will be 000. 000 is obviously selecting the input 0. If we want to select IN7, 7th input, then here there should be 1 on the 3 pins of ADC. Getting? So in this way we can control which input channel should be considered for taking input, that is decided by these 3 pins ABC and which are controlled by the pin number 0, 1 and 2 of port 2 of 8051 microcontroller. Now here once the input, which input channel is to be selected, that is selected by using this. Once the input is selected, input will be read from the particular channel, and after that start of conversion SOC is nothing but start of conversion signal which is provided by this 8051 microcontroller on port number 2 pin number 5. So here on this port SOC start of conversion signal will be sent to ADC. Now once this signal is received by ADC, ADC will start converting the analog input which is taken from the selected channel. So that analog input will be converted and it will be after conversion, means when the conversion is completed, then this end of conversion signal will be sent by ADC to 8051 to tell 8051 that whatever channel you have selected, the input, analog input of that channel is converted now into digital form. So that signal will be provided on this P2.6 pin. Once 8051 gets the signal that conversion is done, then 8051 highlights or it gives the signal address latch enable. It activates the signal address latch enable as well as output enable. Address latch enable means whatever is present on address bus of this 8051, that is now valid. So implementing that, ALE will be activated as well as output enable will be sent from 8051 to ADC to tell ADC that you should enable your output and give me the output. The output will be enabled on D0 to D7 and which will be read by 8051 on P1.0 to P1.7. So in this way, the ADC, analog to digital conversion converter, will take analog input from these channels which are selected by the pin number ABC, combination of pin number ABC. The conversion will be done from analog to digital, and then the digital output will be provided from ADC to 8051 on this pin numbers, port number 1.0 to port 1.7, P1.7. So in this way, the interfacing of this 8051 with ADC is done. We stop with the video.